Well, we are back on the truck content, and I know I have been putting the truck on the side for a while because I was finishing the bag, but now it's time for taking care of her. And as you guys saw, I bought not a bunch, but a couple of, you know, things on Amazon that we're gonna put on the truck today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. But first, let's get that clean. This is some idle axe. It's just a leftover that I had it from when I did a Corvette, and I figured, you know, the truck has been sitting for the entire winter outside, so I just might give a little treat. But I'm not doing a deep detailing here, alright? Because we're gonna change the Z71 sticker and we're gonna do something inside. So almost there. She's ready. Dude, I don't even remember when it was the last time I cleaned this truck. And I know I have been lacking on truck content. Probably the next upload I'm gonna give you guys more details why. But just bear with me. I'll give you guys some updates on the truck since it has been a while. I don't even remember when was the last time we did a truck upload. So I removed the tent on the third brake light. And the third brake light's kind of my curse, I would say, because that was the first thing I used tent or in that way, so it wasn't too good, let's put it that way. So I'm going full M. I'm gonna order a custom third brake light. I don't wanna Amazon, even if we are putting Amazon stuff today on my truck. The last experience I had with the third brake light with Amazon stuff was bad. I removed the wrap from the Chevy bow tie here, and that's just because I got a different wrap and I'm gonna do that. And I also removed from the steering wheel because I want to do the same that I'm gonna do on the tailgate on the steering wheel. So that's just a update. Let me know if you guys want to see me at wrapping those things. You know, if you guys don't want to watch, I will do on the off of camera. And of course I need new windshield wipers. Look at that, it's broke. This one, it's horrible. That one, I don't know how good you can see. There we go. So I'm gonna stop by AutoZone tomorrow and I'm gonna buy those. Other than that, the truck's pretty good. As you guys know, it's my daily driver, and so I try to keep of course it's not as clean as the Corvette because the Corvette stay in the garage most of the time. Now I'm driving more the Corvette because it's nice outside. But anyway, the other thing, I just put an order on LASFIT for my turn signal because every time I turn it's saying the bulbs are bad, so I should replace those too. Let me know if you guys want to see that as well. I already made a video on it. But without further ado, let's go to the main topic of today's upload, which is stuff that I bought on Amazon for my truck. The first one, and this one, I think it's gonna be a good upgrade. It's the Z71. I don't have anything red. That's going away. This is gonna be black, so you guys know I already said that. But anyway, let's install this bad boy. I think I could, because this has been here since the truck was brand new, so I should be able just to follow the marks and make really straight. Let's see how that goes. I don't think I need a heat gun though, so let's see. Yeah, it's better to use the heat gun. I try not to, but hey. What I'm looking here is like if it has a line where I can follow, so it's gonna be straight. Remember, this has been here since the truck was brand new. Just a little of heat gun and boom. yeah, you can see the marks, and that's what I want. Just gonna use a microfiber towel. You want to keep the mark. Yeah, I can see it. I don't know if the camera will show, but I definitely can see the mark here for the new one. And again, I bought those from Amazon though, so there's a link in the description below if you want yours. And I have more stuff from Amazon come in, so I just didn't want to wait for all the stuff. So more truck content, that's the thing. All right, that's gonna be sitting over here like this. I think it's straight. Yeah, it's pretty straight. There we go. Dang. So much better. So much better. Since I got the truck, I don't know. I was like, I don't want to, you know, keep the Z71 there. But it's nice at the same time, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know. It doesn't mean anything to me. It's just a sticker. If you are like a guy that likes to keep stuff stock, that's the way to go. What do you guys think? For me, or either with this one or the other one, it's fine. Even without it, I don't know. I like it without too. So let's put the other one. I have to say, it's so much better. So much better. Sorry that I didn't do that before, but hey, better late than never. The second thing was kind of the same thing that I had in mind with this. It's like I saw a bunch of people doing it. I was like, I don't know, dude, which is those pads for the center console and so on and so forth. And I figured, you know what, I'm gonna have a baby, so and this is gonna be our main car. I'll give you more update on that next upload, I promise. So this is gonna be our main car. We're gonna have car seat here and all this stuff. So I was like, you know what, I might put some protection here, and just in case, I'll try this one. This was from Amazon. I think I paid like, I don't know, 18 bucks for the entire thing. And those are the pads. They are cut to Chevy Colorado, so you can put one here, you can put it here. And I went with blue. They have different colors, but I think blue it's kind of nice. Just so I'm having boys, so I was like, you know what, let's put a blue. And I also, when I'm using my rock lights all the time, I'm using blue. So blue, I think blue and white is the thing I'm trying to accomplish. So let's see how this thing goes. I mean, I never thought I would do this, but hey, we are always learning, right? There you go. That's the first one that goes over here. Looks nice though. I gotta find the right place for every single piece since there's no instruction. All right, next one. This one I'm quite sure it's for here. There we go. So a little pad there. This one I don't know though. It doesn't seem right. Let's see if I can see something else there. What else we have here? Where'd those go? Where'd those go? I don't know. I have no clue. Right. So those, I believe they go over here. There we go. Yeah, like a glove. This is the other side. Let me know if you guys have those and if you like or not. No idea, baby. If you guys know, let me know. Maybe I'll find until we're done with this video. That's the why I don't want to do this thing though. What else we got? Oh, it's because it comes two. Where does it go? I think there are two though. Okay, so
eventually,
I think after a while I figured it out. So if I miss any spot, you let me know, right? Pretty much, I'm not gonna show all around. Just it's one for each door. So there's a set for the door. It's one for the center console, which looks pretty good to me. Feels cleaner for sure. And there's one on the cup holders for the back. One, let me show you here on the back door. And that's it. The same for the other two sides. I don't know if I missed any spot. If I did, you guys please let me know. So she's ready, she's clean, she is ready to go. What about the Z71 upgrade decal? What do you think? I think now matches perfect with the tailgate. Actually, Amazon is a really good source for Colorado stuff. If you didn't know, my tail light I got from Amazon. Just make sure you put a lot of silicone. I'm gonna leave the link up here so you guys can check it out if you are new to the channel. But you can get a lot of stuff. And by the way, I ordered my new headlight. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoy. If you are here for the first time, subscribe. Make sure to head to HardWorkForce. We just have a new drop, really affordable. We try to work with our vendors so we can get cheaper stuff for you, so you can be part of the force. Stay tuned, you're gonna get decals really soon. I'll keep you guys posted. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it. Oh, we are not done yet. So if you guys made this far on the video, you are the true MVP and I really appreciate your support. So I just want to talk to you guys to see what you guys want to see on the channel. I really want to do more truck content, but I don't know exactly what to do with my truck. My dream is to get a project truck. The Corvette's pretty much done. It's kind of my car for fun. I don't know how far I'm going with it, but I want to know if you guys want to see a truck project. It's gonna be an old truck project. I'm really leaving my comfort zone here, so let me know. I just want to hear from you guys, the real MVP, the biggest and the stronger supports of my channel, that you guys watch all the videos. I really appreciate your support. From my heart to yours, thank you so much. So let me know, and again, thank you if you watch this far. I really appreciate it. See you next upload.